This is Brittany Garner, Program Director for USASBE. Today, I'm going to walk through a brief tutorial on how to submit to USASBE 2022 Pioneer and Persevere. To begin, you will want to go to the award submission platform website, usasbe.awardsplatform.com. To register for the website, you will fill in the center column with your name, email, and selecting a password. You will want to check that you've read the privacy policy, cookie policy, and terms of service, as well as agree to receive notification and communication emails from USASBE. You may withdraw this consent at any time. However, it is important to receive these notifications as the system will not send emails to those without this notification, which could hinder or delay notifications regarding your submission. So I'm going to hit register. After hitting register, you will arrive at this second page where you will be asked a few additional details. You will be asked for areas of expertise. These are areas in which you feel comfortable being asked to review submissions for the conference. Enter a brief bio and upload a headshot. We also ask in which track do you feel most comfortable reviewing submissions, whether this be teaching exercises, research papers, or programs. We will do our best to match you with the track you feel most comfortable with to ensure a proper peer review of the submission. The last piece on the register page gives consent for photographing, recording, or filming portions of the conference for educational or promotional purposes. This is for USASBE to have permission to upload the presentation recorded at USASBE 2022 into the virtual video compendium. Once you've complete profile, you will arrive at your dashboard, and on the dashboard you will see the dates. You'll see that main conference deadlines are August 31st and programs deadlines are October 31st. And prior to being able to submit or start an entry, you must confirm your email through this verification email. So I'm going to go to the inbox. I see that I have this USASBE email. Then I'm going to log in. Verify my email. Now that you are at your dashboard, you're able to start an entry. There are a few things to know. You may edit your entry after submitting up until the entry deadline. Please make sure that all of your personal details are entered accurately, including contact details, as this will be used in the awards presentation if selected as a finalist. You are eligible to enter more than one category as long as the work submitted meets the criteria, and you can use the copy feature to create a copy of your entry and change the category as required to save time. We do ask that within the research, teaching, and programming tracks, you may only have a total of 3 submissions, commonly called the rule of 3. To begin a conference submission entry, you will select Start New Entry. You will be taken to the entry page. As you see, the main conference with the deadline of August 31, 2021 consists of all of the awards. This includes the Excellence in Entrepreneurship Education Awards and Lifetime Awards, research tracks, teaching tracks, programming tracks, and learning journeys. The program's deadline will be October 31st, 2021. This includes Doctoral Consortium, the Longenecker Fellows Mentoring Program, and any SIG awards as those categories open submissions. To begin, you must select your submission type, whether you are doing main conference or program. Today we're going to make a research track submission. So I'm going to select research tracks, and within the research tracks categories, there are 3 categories: competitive research papers, emerging research papers, and translating research for impact. I'm going to select competitive research papers. Over to the right, it will give me a detailed description of the category. It does this for each and every category. There is a template available for the submission, so if you would like to see that prior to submitting, you can click here for the template. It'll pop up in a Google Doc, and you will be able to select download and then edit it as you see fit, and then take the information to upload into the system. Now that you have selected your categories, you will name the paper. I'm going to name it test entry. However, this should be your paper title. Save and next. This will open the submission tab. Once again, please enter the title of your paper in the title section, the abstract. We are asking for the description of your presentation that you would like printed in the program. So you will see we are asking for a 50-word conference printed program description. Keyword categories that your paper will fall into, and if there are additional keywords that you were not able to select in the drop-down list, please feel free to list them here. I'm going to select Save and Next. This will bring me to my Authors and Contributors tab. If you have co-authors on your paper, please do add them. When you select Add Contributor, it will ask for their name, title, institution, email, and an optional short bio. Once you're finished adding your co-authors, select Save and Next. And this Attachments tab is where you will upload your paper. All of the specifics are over here. We're going to select a paper. It takes a moment to process, and then once it has completely uploaded, you will be able to select Save and Next. This is the final page of submissions. You will have to select that you confirm that you are submitting no more than 3 conference submissions, and that in order to present an accepted paper or submission, you need to register for USASBE 22, Pioneer, and Persevere. You confirm that it's original work and you are authorized to submit it to the conference. We are also asking for your conference participation modality. We know that things may be uncertain at this time. We just ask that you fill it out to the best of your knowledge while you are submitting. If you intend to attend in person, if you are going to participate online, or if you don't know at this time. Finally, we ask you to select that you agree to be a reviewer for submissions during the conference in any category in which a conflict of interest would not be present. And once you are finished selecting those, you can select Submit Entry. Congratulations on submitting your conference submission for USASBE 2022. We appreciate you taking the time to submit your hard work, and if you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to me, Brittany Garner at bgarner@usasbe.org. Best of luck.